think you've trained hard? Roman trains harder. This isn't fitness, it's full-blown warfare. Roman doesn't just lift weights, he dominates them. He doesn't rest, he reloads. Before the world even hits snooze, Roman is outside, lungs burning, legs pumping, drenched in cold sweat before dawn. There are no shortcuts here, no comfort zones, and definitely no mercy. Every rep is a war cry. Every drop of sweat is earned. And if you're expecting some influencer-friendly gym routine, this ain't it. This is discipline, violence, and routine forged into one. Welcome to the brutal training routine of Roman. Roman's day begins in silence. No alarms, no scrolling, just the sharp buzz of his internal clock, 4:30 a.m. every single morning. While the world sleeps, Roman rises. He swings out of bed with intention, not motivation. He believes motivation dies when pain begins, but routine? Routine survives. Within minutes, he's standing outside in the cold, breathing deep through his nose, grounding himself. Mental stillness before physical chaos. The moment his feet hit the pavement, there's no turning back. He's already laced up and ready for the first fight of the day. Fasted cardio, uphill, in the dark, with only discipline as fuel. Imagine sprinting up a hill before breakfast, wearing a 40-pound vest, with your legs still aching from yesterday's workout. That's Roman's warm-up. Fasted cardio isn't about fat loss for him. It's a daily act of defiance. It says, I do what others won't. Every stride up the hill is powered by grit, not glucose. He doesn't stop until his vision blurs, until his lungs scream. And when his body begs to quit, Roman accelerates. Because in his mind, comfort equals weakness. And weakness? That's not allowed to survive here. This is where most people break. But Roman's just getting started. After cardio, Roman walks straight into a different kind of suffering, the ice bath. No towels, no heater, just a tub of freezing water and 5 excruciating minutes of stillness. The cold doesn't just attack your body, it attacks your mind. Roman sits in the pain, breathes through it, owns it. His heartbeat slows. His focus sharpens. This is how warriors reset. He believes the ability to suffer in silence is a superpower. And as the timer ends, he doesn't scream or shiver. He steps out of the ice like a man reborn, ready for the true battle, the iron. Roman doesn't train at your friendly neighborhood gym. His training ground is raw, concrete floors, steel racks, chalk dust in the air. There's no music, no selfies, no small talk. Just the clank of weights and the smell of hard work. When he walks in, his eyes lock onto one thing, the grind. No warm-up selfies, no what's your PR, bro? Roman's there to destroy limitations, not chase clout. His phone, locked away. His focus, unbreakable. Training begins not when he picks up the weight, but when he crosses that threshold. Once he's inside, it's war. And there are no civilians here. Roman's warm-up isn't what you'd expect. It's a punishing 30-minute blend of mobility drills, resistance band flows, and explosive bodyweight movements. Think jump squats, push-up variations, and one-arm planks held to the point of muscle tremble. This isn't to prepare him to lift. It's to weed out weakness before the real battle begins. Every joint gets activated. Every muscle fired. Sweat pours before a single weight is touched. He believes if your warm-up doesn't leave you gassed, you're not ready to train. Most people would stop here. Roman hasn't even started. His warm-up would break an average athlete. That's the point.